Welcome back to part 4 of our basic to advanced floor plan mini series. Enjoy the video. Okay, so that's the main floor plan done. Let's rename this view. So I'm just going to right click, rename, and then I'm going to call this concept, and then I'm not going to change the level, and then I'm going to right click and then duplicate with detailing, and then I'm going to call this detailed. So the detailed view, I'm just going to change it to fine and leave it on hidden line. So instantly you can tell the difference between the conceptual layout and the detailed layout. So now I'm going to modify the exterior wall type. So I'm just going to click on it, edit the structure, and then I'm going to add 2 new layers. So I'm going to add a layer to the exterior. I'm going to call that one finish 1. And I'm going to leave the material as default, and then I'm going to call that 20 millimeters. And then I'm going to move the other one that I just created down to the interior side, and then I'm going to call that finish 2, and then I'm also going to call that 20 millimeters, and then I'm going to drop my block size down to 160, and then I still maintain the 200 millimeter total thickness, but now I have some materiality and build up to the wall. So the structural layer is going to be blockwork, so I'm just going to edit that type, and then now I can add in a new material for the block. And I'm going to add a cut pattern, so let's call that diagonal crosshatch, and then hit OK for that. Now you can see the diagonal crosshatch is in place, but it's at 1:100 scale, so let's change that down to a 1:50 scale, and let's do the same for our other one. Next I'm going to do the same for the interior walls. So I'm also going to add some information. So for the exterior wall, I'm going to edit type, scroll down to the type mark, and then I'm going to enter W1 and hit OK. And for the interior wall, I'm going to also edit type, scroll down to type mark, and enter W2. And that's the end of the video. Be sure to check out parts 1, 2, and 3 to this basic to advanced floor plan mini series. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more regularly released Revit content. I'll see you in the next one.